Okay, you guys, I've been really excited to make this one because this is the iSpyPen Pro. Now, this is a very famous company that was featured on Fox News. And it's this guy, I think he's a student or someone like that. And he started this company in quite a humble way and then it just took off by storm. So now he's like a millionaire or something like that. So, yeah, I was really excited to review this today because this isn't some crappy eBay camera. This is a really expensive, well, not really expensive, but it's a high quality kind of camera, which is not cheap. It's 16 GB silver. There was also a gold one, but I didn't want the gold one because I just thought it looked a bit tacky. And I just thought this looked more sophisticated. Look at that, America. It feels so amazing when you have a product that was made in America because most things that I own are made in China. So, it's just so funny. Instruction booklet. Yeah, this cost me about, in British pounds, about £60 to get this, you guys. So that's not cheap in my opinion, but yeah, and it's the 16 GB version. If you want the 32 GB version, it's even more expensive, I guess. So yeah. But like I said, I keep saying expensive. That's because I'm a cheapskate. This is not expensive at all. I mean, for the price, the quality that they're offering, this is quite cheap, you guys. Yeah, so these are the instructions. They're very good instructions, unlike the instructions that come with many of these on eBay. So yeah, I bought this from their official website, to which I'll leave a link in the description. Yeah, it looks so sophisticated. The pen looks really sophisticated, you guys. It doesn't look like a cheap pen at all. So look at this. There it is. That's the camera right there. And the on-off button is up there. Gosh, my hands are not very clean today. They're a bit greasy, so I don't even like holding this because it feels so nice in my hands and my hands are so greasy. So yeah, anyway. So let's try it out, shall we? Let's hold this. I think there's a... Where's the indicator button? There's the indicator. Anyway. Oh dear, I think you have to charge it for the first time. I haven't charged it yet. So unfortunately, we won't be able to test that out today. Oh, I'm so disappointed. I was hoping to actually turn it on and show you guys how it works, but I need to charge it. It's brand new. Never mind. So the charging cable, they don't give you a charging cable. I think you're supposed to unscrew it and just stick it in directly or something like that, because there isn't a charging cable in here. But yeah, these guys, they're a very high quality company, you guys. And when I saw them on the news, I just came across them quite randomly, actually. And then I just knew I wanted this. It's like, wow. So yeah, I mean, maybe I will make another video once I charge this and get this going. I might make another video of how to use it. But I'm not sure if I will do that, to be honest.